Hello guys and welcome back to न्यू वीडियो। आज इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे एफबी कैसे बनाते हैं, हाउ टू क्रिएट एफबी, एफबी का यूज़ क्या है और एफबी क्रिएट करने के बाद उसे कॉल कैसे करते हैं, मेन फंक्शन में क्यों बुलाना है, व्हाट इज़ द नीड ऑफ एफबी और एफबी एग्जैक्टली क्यों बनाते हैं। लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपको एक एग्जाम्पल देना चाहूँगा। लाइक वी हैव 4 to 5 motor or 100 motors or 10 to 20 motors in our plant। फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमारे प्लांट में 20 मोटर है जिनका वर्किंग सेम है। लाइक एवरी मोटर हैव सेम पैरामीटर लाइक स्पीड, एम्पियर, kW, ascending time and descending time and many more like start bit and stop bit and also other parameters also. But in this example we are going to see speed, ampere, kW, start bit, stop bit. Okay, so तो हमारे पास एक 20 मोटर है एक प्लांट में, तो हम कैसे यूज करेंगे। हम हर एक मोटर के लिए एक नया प्रोग्राम क्यों लिखे। टू क्रिएट अ सिंपल एक मोटर है उसके लिए हमें कुछ पैरामीटर कैलकुलेट करके हमें बनाना है। तो हम हर एक मोटर के लिए क्यों सेम प्रोग्राम रिपीटेडली लिखे। तो हम इसमें क्या करेंगे, हम एक लेंगे एफबी। व्हाई वी डू नीड एफबी to create a same working profile for many purposes. Like we have one motor or 20 motor. If we create for one motor also and 20 motor FB can use, we just drag and drop that FB in our program and we can use it several times, as many times as we want for to call that FB. And every FB have a memory. Okay, functional block are code block that store their value permanently in instant data block. So जैसे ही हम एक FB कॉल करते हैं तो उसके साथ एक डेटा ब्लॉक भी क्रिएट होता है so that they can remain available after the block has been executed. जो डेटा उसमें है like speed, whatever the speed and ampere and the power and whatever the parameter are going to store in that instant DB is created after creating the FB. Okay, so इसको कॉल कर लेंगे एक और इसको नाम दे देंगे like here I have created with motor called motor FB. so उसमें मैंने क्या क्रिएट किया है and what we use here, हमने ग्लोबल जो टैग्स होते हैं ना वो यूज नहीं किया। like I am going to show you here। एक मैंने अभी ये एनसी ले लिया, इसको मैंने स्टार्ट दे दिया है तो मैंने इसको स्टार्ट 1 दे दिया। ओके, और मैं इसको डिफाइन करना चाहता हूँ, ये डिफाइन नहीं है राइट नाउ, तो इसको डिफाइन टैग में जाएंगे और इसको लोकल टेम्प मीन्स लोकल टेम्पररी जो एक टैग है वो देना चाहिए। लाइक इधर हियर आई कैन गिव अ बुल और whatever I want, but right now I just have the data type called bull, or I can just drag and drop here so I can use that parameter for my that tag in my program. So I can define here also, or what I can do, I can go here and make a space for new tag and then I start writing start 1 and whatever the type. Like here I have given the int, but no or nc it is mostly in the sense it is always 1 or 2. It may be on or off, so it is not valid type tag type. So it should be bull value. So let's write it bull or we will see it is accepted or not. देखो ये रेड था तो रेड हो गया ब्लैक, so इसने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया। so we will delete this thing just to show you that it is how we create a local temp in program. So here I have created a small program. हमने एक start दे दिया है, एक stop bit दिया है और एक lamp generate किया है. We can call a lamp or we can call at a motor output. Whatever you want, you can call it. Just I have written the lamp right now. So in next network, this is network 1, this is network 2. Now, and we use all the temp local local tag here. We can use also a global tag. If you want a global tag, we can use it global tag here also, but I have used local tag. Okay, and then in this network, I called block calculate. So if you want to calculate any type of calculation, you can calculate by using the calculate, or you can create manually by add, subscribe, subtraction, sorry, not सब्सक्राइब आ जाता है, बिकॉज सब्सक्राइब करोगे तो मुझे आनंद मिलेगा, और मैं आनंद मिलेगा तो अच्छे अच्छे वीडियो बनाऊंगा, इसके लिए सब्सक्राइब बीच में आ जाता है. सो प्लीज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब my channel. So we are talking about subtraction. So subtraction we call the block subtraction, multiplication, division. There are multiple block you can see here. When you go to mathematic function, you can see calculate. I have called that one. Add, subscription, mod, negative. ये जो है ये इनबिल्ट फीचर है, डिक्रीमेंट, इंक्रीमेंट, एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू. सो इन कैलकुलेट, व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ कैलकुलेट? we can write an equation like here. I have written an equation. In this equation, what I have written, and input 1, input 2, input here you can see after I hover over that equation, you can see, and input 1, input 2, input 3, input 4 divided by input 5. So you can see here, and the output goes to here, speed in millisecond. Actually I have done one simple thing. My speed is coming into RPM, and I have converted into meter per second. So this is the small formula I have googled and I got on internet. So I copied that, like velocity is equal to 2 pi r into w divided by 60. This is the formula I have created here to convert RPM into meter per second. So this is the simple formula I have calculated by using the calculate block. So this is very simple. Okay, you got it, what I have done here. And what tag I use? Local tag. Keep in your mind, when you create a WebP, you mostly use a local. You can use a global tag also, but I have used the local tag. So and after that I have done what small thing here. If the start is not given, then move the 0, and if stop given, if start not given, also it is move 0, and if it is stop, it is also move the 0 to speed, current and power. And after that, what I have done here, like we just move the value of current and power to the output current and output power. Nothing done here specially. It is a small block, small program to understand what I have done. I have calculated only speed in RPM to what? Meter per second. Keep in your mind and do your programming. If you have difficulty, comment down below. And here you can do your own programming also. Like if I had done here meter per second, so you can convert power. You can convert into power into watt. No, this is a unit. but you can convert, you can use some parameter and write down below or screenshot निकाल के डालो, so मुझे भी समझेगा, कुछ लोग कर रहे हैं तो पता तो चलेगा. Okay, so what I have done, I have created FB. If you don't understand what I have done, just go through the video. You will definitely understand. ये मूव क्यों किया है जीरो, बिकॉज स्टार्ट भी नहीं मिल रहा है और स्टॉप दिया है, तो उसमें जीरो मूव होना चाहिए. ओके, एंड देन व्हाट आई हैव डन, मतलब क्या किया है मैंने, पता है क्या. इसके बाद आई हैव ये जो मैंने अभी बनाया है उसको सिंपली ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप कर लिया wherever I want, but I have done in my main only. So right now ये क्या, अभी ये instant DB create करेगा motor DB1, because I have created already one here called motor, where it is motor FB. So I am not going to means create one new instance. I am going to delete this one. Here also this one I'm going to delete this one. I'm just showing you how I created FB and how I drag drop. So in your program you can also use same type of, you can create your analog sensor FB. In projects multiple analog sensor are there, so you are not going to write down the program for every single analog sensor. So you just create one FB and call wherever you want in your program. So you can call it multiple time and you just give a tag and your block will be work properly if you have created properly. If not, it will not. And if not, just try again, go through your process. If you don't get your answer, just comment down below. Okay, I will be there for you, no problem. Then we will see okay, here we'll go monitor that. Okay, right now our start is not given, stop is not given, but our speed in RPM, it is coming from somewhere, means from drive. It can come from drive. I have just manually put here 1000 value, then radius of what is, I have used a radius here. This is the formula radius, we need a radius. अब आप बोलोगे रेडियस किधर से आ रहा है, रेडियस इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द मोटर रेडियस और वट एवर द शाफ्ट रेडियस, इट कम फ्रॉम देयर ओनली. देन इट इज अ पाई वैल्यू, this is in formula. After that pi value, radius, speed in RPM and 60 divided by 60 to all that thing. So after that we get the speed in what the second. So we will go to our main block and I will show you how what I have program created. Once I start my motor is started right now. Right now I have given the lamp as a in display name, but you can write it here as a motor, or I can just go there and write it motor, but right now I keep it as it is. So you do your programming, get a screenshot and comment down below. Okay, so here I have put some value, and what I get is calculated value is 5235 in decimal point. Also you can show it in decimal point or you can show it on just integer value, but I have given the floated value also here. So okay, and if I put here current is like 10. So now my current is 10 as output of this, and my power is 1.5 kW or whatever the power it is. The value exceeded, and we'll write one here only, and we'll see. can see the power is 1 right now. Current also 10 because I have done only move, मैंने move किया है सिर्फ. Or you can see the calculation, you can calculate. If I calculate over here right now, if I go to calculator को कॉल किया, and simple standard calculator लेंगे 2 into pi value is 3.1415, I think so. Am I right or wrong? Just don't know, but I'm keeping it. And then we will multiply with radius. Radius is right 50. So radius, and after that we are going to multiply with RPM value. It is 1000. Okay, and then we will go for dividation of 60. I think we'll get our value. It is 5235. So it is calculated correctly. Now if I go and just stop my go there on a plant and just stop by pushing the stop button. So all my value should be went to 0 because my motor is shut down. So all my value is 0. And if I also close this one, and now I have released my stop button. Okay, now my motor is stop is released also, and start is not given. Now again I will give my start. So you can see here, you can give here IPM as a real time tag, so value is real time changing. You can show here and display over the HMI. So this is a simple how we create a FB, what is the need of FB, and you can do FB लेने से ना simple हो जाता है. Program is like very simple for you to understand also, and to watch and display to another person. As a programmer, you should write always a simple program so people should understand whatever the person is going to handle that part in industry. A maintenance person may be there, operator person may be there, or another person, but he should understand your program. It should be in a simple language, so he should understand what you write. Okay, so this is the simple FB program, right, how we create. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and please like my videos, watch my previous videos. It will help you in your automation career, and do subscribe my channel, share with your friends. Sharing is caring, I think. And comment down below if you like my video. If you don't like any of the part, just comment down below. You don't like this part, or the noise is still there, or whatever my communication problem, whatever you have problem, just comment down below. I will resolve your problem and come up with a good solution. So thanks again. Bye. See you next.